Hey yo, what's up guys? In this video I will show you 3 simple programs you can build with Python to prank someone's PC. With their permission obviously. The first 2 programs I'm gonna show you is gonna crash or prank your friend's PC and you can just fix it with a restart. But the third method is gonna crash the PC again and again and again. Even after you restart the PC, it won't be able to run calculator.exe before it crashes again. The third method is so messed up that you need to see the whole video. And no, I'm not saying that to increase my YouTube watch time. I'm just saying that you need to see the consequences of running the code. I will be explaining the code and the logic behind it. I will not be responsible for any consequences. I repeat, I will not be responsible for any consequences of any actions you make. So if you're moving it to a USB folder to troll your friend, and you accidentally double click it on your own PC, it's all over. Even Bob the Builder can fix it.
Bro, what the hell is this, bro? I can't fix this. Come here, you stupid truck. Let's go home. Bob the Builder, can we fix this? Bob the Builder. No.
This video is for educational purpose only. So some of you might be thinking, okay, after watching this video I will learn how to crash computers and I will protect myself from it. Yay! Quite honestly, you won't. This video will not teach you how to protect yourself. It will only show you how to destroy. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not gonna be like some YouTubers teaching you how to make a virus and then later on telling you, make sure to protect yourself from these kind of viruses. Like, how the fuck should I protect myself from it? Vaccinated? So in reality, they don't show you how to protect yourself. They only show you how to create an attack, which I will be doing in this video. So if you have in mind that this video will teach you how to protect yourself from malware, it won't. So in this first computer prank, we will basically be reopening a program again and again and again. And how we're gonna do that is simple. We will be opening the OS terminal, which is command prompt for Windows, aka CMD. And we are going to run the start command. What it does is simply opening up another CMD window. So we are going to repeat this process forever. And after that, we are going to convert the .py file to an exe file. Since you can just close the program and then it will stop producing more terminals, we will make the exe file run in the background. So you can't stop the process unless you find it on the task manager and stop it there. Type in import OS so we could interact with the terminal, and now type in os.system, and in here we're gonna type in start, and this program is gonna open up a CMD terminal. Let's try it out. As you can see, we opened a CMD terminal, and that's not what we need. We need to open infinite numbers of terminals. So we're gonna set this in a while loop like this, and then this is going to run for infinite times. As you can see, we have a lot of okay, relax bro, relax. Hey, yo, what the fuck? As you can see, we have multiple terminals here. The only way to close all of this is to close the main process, which I can't fucking do.
A few moments later.
And now we need to convert this Python file to an exe file. Open up CMD and then type in pip install auto -py -2-exe and then hit enter. Mine is already installed, and after installing it, just run it. It should open up this website here. In this file here, you're gonna click in browse and then click on the file, Python file you just created. And now click on the one file. You're gonna make it to one file to store everything in one exe file. And in here, you're gonna click in Windows based hide console. So in here, you can choose your own icon file. I already have one, and then just hitting convert py to exe. And after some time, it should finish. Click on open applet folder, and as you can see, we have the exe file in here. You can actually change this to a Chrome icon and then call it chrome.exe, and then some idiot like you might click on it and then give your PC some seizure. Guys, I have big news for me, not you. Anyways, my Discord server has been growing so much. It went from having 0 members to currently 16 members. Yeah, you might be laughing at me right now saying it's rocky numbers, But where is your Discord server? Huh? Do you even have friends? Do you even have 39 subscribers on YouTube? Let us see. Hey yo, I take that back. I will let this slide this time. Anyways guys, my Discord server would not have been this beautiful without the help of Dom, Roy Guy, and Rexford. And also thanks to the people who server boosted my server. I'm not sure what the server boost does, but I think it's like a Discord battle pass. So keep on boosting my server. We need to get that school trooper skin. So in this second prank, we are going to create multiple folders on the desktop or wherever you want. We are going to interact with the OS again and use the command mkdir, which takes in one parameter, which is the folder's name. We will set this in a loop and generate as many folders as we want. So in here, we're going to import two libraries, the OS library and the random library, to generate random numbers because we're going to use it to name the files. Make a variable of how many files you want to have. In my case, 10, cause like, fuck you. And then make a for loop. And now we're going to type in the command. So in the first parameter, we're going to just generate random numbers. Make sure to have curly brackets and then the F outside. Type in random.randint. And it's going to choose a number between 0 and 10,000. Let's try it out now. As you can see, it generates random generated files. And now for the final prank. I wouldn't even call this a prank. This shit is just pure evil. We are going to make a program which is a combination of the previous programs we made, but on steroids. The program will have two tasks. The first task is to make a clone of itself and then activate the clone. And the second task is to open up terminals. So this will go on until it fills your local hard disk or SSD and crash your PC, because your RAM stick will be on 1 HP after starting the program. So this is the whole code. I will explain each line. The first one is simple: import OS to interact with the terminal, and then random to generate random generated numbers. And in here, we're going to create a file name. So the file name is going to contain a random generated number and a .exe extension, because we're going to convert it to an exe file. And then we're going to type in OS system. This is our file's name, the current file name. And then we're going to copy it to the new file. After you copy the file to the new file, then you start the new file. You just type in the new file's name here. And after that, the program will go to a while loop and then start the terminals like in the first prank program. Here is the I'm really stressed right now. So here's the virus we have, and we're not done here. We're gonna open up the startup menu. In here is every file that will start after you boot up your PC. The last thing we need to do now is just drag it to here and then press on continue, which I will not do. And then every time after you start the PC, this will start. I will gently throw it in the garbage and delete this shit, because who the fuck wants it? If this video gets 100 likes, I will run this program in a virtual machine. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you genuinely liked my video and learned from it and want me to make more content, it will help me a lot if you share this video and support me on Patreon. Like, bro, my support right now is like, I think it's low as fuck. Anyways, I'm trying to make my videos as entertaining and educational as possible to teach you and not waste your time. If you have any programming topics or questions, you can join my Discord server if you want to. I'm not forcing you. Relax, Karen. Here, I can talk to you one-to-one and get to know each other. That's it for today's video. See ya.